This is Grant watching his mobile. He loves it. He's in such a happy mood. Smiling. See, he's watching the mobile. There's a bunny. He's got things to say. And he's looking out the window too. Now he's looking at the monkey. There's a lion. Oh, now he's looking at Mom. He's having a good time today. We get to have lunch with Dad at Applebee's. He has to go to the mall. Now he just ate a late lunch and he is playing. Such a beautiful little guy. We love him so much. He is, let's see, 6 weeks old and 3 days. So 6.5 weeks old today. 16 pounds, just about. I can't believe it. Look at this big beefy boy. Big guy. Such a good baby. We love him so much. Are you looking outside? Say hi.